Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair rose 0.8% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold dollar pair plummeted 1.1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair rose 0.7% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Global stocks and bonds closed higher on cautious optimism about the new year after a brutal 2022. Although US stocks eased off session highs after the Federal Reserve released minutes from its December meeting that struck a hawkish note. The chief US bankruptcy judge in the Southern District of New York said in a court order that Celsius Terms of Service made it clear it took possession of crypto assets deposited into its EARN product, dealing a blow to some customers hoping to recoup their funds from the company. The dollar inched up, but struggled to make bigger gains as the boost from a still hawkish Federal Reserve was tempered by investors' growing appetite for riskier assets, driven by China's reopening.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI will be released at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The Eurozone's business climate at 1000 hours GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 2030 GMT. The US ISM Services PMI at 1500 hours GMT. The US non-farm payrolls at 1330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.